Yep, that's right. More Air Max 1s. It's a problem. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another video. And this is my review for the Atmos times Air Max 1 print. So if you've seen my previous Air Max 1 video with the Curries, you realize that these are an actual Atmos collab, not like the Curries, which is just a mangled story that no one can give me a proper straight answer. I think I got to the root answer to it, but still up in the air. But these are official Atmos collab, and they're dope with a dope printed design. Quickly on how I got the kicks, kind of funny. So they released last Saturday. I was coming out on the Sneakers app. So I woke up about 20 minutes before that time, make sure I was ready, had Sneakers app open on my phone, my girlfriend's phone, good to go. And then I went on Facebook, just checking the group, seeing what people are saying. People are talking about what you're looking to pick up this weekend. Are you gonna go for the cap and gowns, the 90s, the Air Max 1s? I was like, going for the Air Max 1s, hopefully get them, who knows. Someone posted a picture of their End clothing website and they won a pair from the raffle. So I was like, oh, congrats to you and all that. Then I thought, I'm pretty sure I entered the raffle as well. But for some reason, whenever it comes to End, I always get my notification like super late. And sometimes you get, oh, it's a good thing because maybe I won, but oftentimes, like 99% of the times, it's an L. But I checked it, didn't see any emails, and I realized I've got 2 email addresses. Checked the other inbox and I won. Salute to End Clothing, and yeah, super surprised. So I was like, cool, close Sneakers app, went back to bed, and I was like, good to go, easy morning. But anywho, let's open these kicks, show you what they're like. So they come in your standard Nike box, red and white. And on the box it says Nike Air Max 1 print, UK 10, my size. Price was £109. And colorway wise it is white, game royal, and neutral grey. I love the game royal colorway after getting those Air Jordan 1s. Super fire, so let's see what these are like. God damn. Okay. Wow. Yeah. These are sick. Wow, okay. They went to town with these. Alright, so, boom. Here are the kicks in all their glory. I've seen from other people talking about them that this is the OG shape of the Air Max 1s and they've done well of it. I never had any pairs. As you know, this is like my 4th or 5th pair ever. So I never had any pairs back in the day or any recent ones that are supposedly like a banana shape where it stuck up and all that. So nothing to compare it to, but seems pretty flat to me. Seems fine. So all good to go on that front. I'm going to take you close up and show you some of the details of this sneaker. There you go. So on the toe box of the sneaker, looks like it's all in leather. It's the first pair I've got that doesn't have like the mesh toe box. So it's all leather. I know people cry about creasing and all that. So I'm assuming this is going to get it, but it is what it is. Just got to deal with it. Outside of the shoe hair on the toe guard is in that lovely royal blue. This color pops nicely. Can you tell me the OG blues, is it this same, is it a royal blue? I don't know. I wanted a pair, but I never did get a pair. Is it a royal blue as well, or is it a different kind of blue? Because this blue is super fire. But again, this is done in leather as well. Pretty nice material. Towards the lateral side of the kick, you've got more of that blue going around to the back of the shoe. Then you've got a blue swoosh just here, again in leather, super fire. Then the best bit of the shoe, which is the print. It feels like, I don't know what material that is. I've seen someone say it's leather, but I'm not too sure. But it's pretty cool. It's basically got some OG Nike boxes. If you see the Air Max 90 ones, which I'll post a picture of right now, those ones are actually in color, so you can actually see it, but it goes through like quite a wide variety of sneakers. It's not just the same Nike box. It's got like a variety of different ones. I'm not too sure on all of them, but I like it. Great idea. It's from the We Love Nike campaign. Is that what these are called? Pretty sure it is. Yeah, super fire. Ooh, and I've just noticed something that I can't wait to show you guys as well. Anywho, getting to the back of the shoe here, it's got Nike Air stitched in game royal blue. Then come around to the medial side, exact same again. Nothing different to see here. Just more of that same pattern with all the boxes. is super fire. The midsole here is in white, standard, and the air bubble, which you can see, clear white as well. Bottom of the shoes, black, white, and Game Royal with Nike Air written in there, clean. And on the eyelets, top eyelets, they're done in Game Royal, nice little touch. And on the tongue, it says Nike Air Max in Game Royal. It's got a white tongue, super fire. I am not one to take out inner soles if I don't have to, so I'm not gonna do it because sometimes when you take it out, it can go a bit crazy after the fact. But I will take a pic so you can see it properly. But basically inside here has got loads of the actual boxes in red stacked up. Super dope. If I can find a picture of someone that's taken them out, I'll put up for you, but that is very, 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 very cool. I think that is everything for the sneaker, nothing else. Oh yeah, it comes with these white flat laces. Let's see if there's any other spares.
12 seconds later.
Nope, only the one pair of laces. Kind of disappointed. I think some Game Royals would change up a bit. They normally add at least one pair of laces, especially if a collab. That's a bit lackluster, but it is what it is. We came here for the sneakers, not for the laces. You can always buy laces from anywhere, so not a big deal. Anywho, let's chuck these bad boys on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Atmos times Nike Air Max 1s. Print on feet. They're dope. Super dope. Gas to have them. I have not at all looked and seen if these are still available in places. Chances are they could be. It feels like recently the Air Max 1s, they'll sell out online or something crazy like that. Then you go to like Foot Patrol and it's got like every single sneaker that people have been looking for in there. So if they have sold out, so I checked definitely on the sneakers app and they weren't there. So unless they restocked them, they're not there. But I know for a fact, well, I can guess and I know it will be true. If you go to Foot Patrol in London or maybe on their website as well, probably find yourself a pair. They just seem to have everything just sitting. It's a very bizarre shop, but a very cool shop as well. Anywho, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed. If this is the first time checking out my channel, like, comment and subscribe. I release videos every single Monday and sneaker review as and when I pick something up. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, and Twitter is perfection7. I'm out. Video.